You know, the one thing that I wish I knew when I first started my manifestation journey was the relationship that I was having with myself was the most important relationship that I would ever have. It really took me a while to grasp that everyone was me pushed out and that they were just playing the roles that I assigned them in my movie. Because for a lot of my journey, I was very much in victim mindset. I couldn't see how I was creating everything in my life, that the people that were showing up for me, especially in relationship, because that was the biggest struggle for me, this specific person was really taking control of that relationship that I was having with myself, and that the things that I wanted from someone else, it was about me giving those things to myself first and foremost. It was about me becoming the love of my own life first and foremost. It was really about me being the love that I was seeking all this time. And I think for many of us, when we are manifesting love especially, it's really about relationship you're having with yourself, right? So if you want to improve relationship with anyone else, it's about you really improving the relationship that you're having with yourself and you getting clear on, what is it that I need? How do I like to be loved? What are the things that I need to feel loved, right? And once you actually sit with yourself and get clear on these things, it becomes a lot easier for you to shift back into this empowered state rather than, you know, constantly being in a victim mindset, feeling disempowered, giving your power away, feeling like people are doing things to you, feeling like nothing is working, feeling like love doesn't last, love sucks, I'm unlucky in love. I had all these things going on, right? And the most important advice that I would ever give to anyone is really about the relationship you're having with yourself, like I said at the start of the video. That's going to set the tone for every relationship that you will ever have, like I said. And once you start pouring into yourself and giving yourself all the things that you're trying to get from another person, you'll be amazed how much things really start to shift. And it's multiplied, right? Because whatever we give to ourselves is always multiplied. And that's how we've truly become more magnetic. When we're giving to ourselves, when we're filling ourselves up, when we're giving ourselves everything we want, we're being the source of our own love, right? And everything I've been speaking about in this video is really about you being the main focus. It's really about when you focus on you, everyone else is going to focus on you as well, because your whole reality is just you. It's you pushed out. So when you start giving and filling your own cup up, that is going to be multiplied, like I said, and it's just going to be given to you tenfold, because your whole reality is you. It's all about you. And this is really what our embodied self concept is about. Really about you transforming your identity so that you have an unbreakable self concept and you really start to embody the version of you that has everything that you want. So if you want to find out more about that, link is in our bio.